What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over ADA and BNB. So currently ADA. So we're currently sitting at 23 cents. Market cap 8.39 billion. 24 volume 373 million. So we're gonna start here on the daily chart, all the way back from 2021. We've been going through a correction. WXY. As you can see, we never broke the high. So all of this for the last 5 years has all been corrective in a big WXY pattern. And then we're coming down in a WXYXZ correction towards probably going to bottom around 15 cents in my opinion. So if we jump over to the 4-hour time frame, we're looking to bounce up into this target zone. Now I wouldn't be surprised, which I mentioned in my Discord, of us sweeping the low of 22 cents. If we look at the 24-hour liquidation heat map for ADA, as you can see, apologies, let me take my gum out, how rude of me. There's tons of liquidity down below 22 cents. If we break that low, there's even more towards coming down towards the lower 22 cents, all the way down towards 21 cents. Now, as you can see here on the 4-hour time frame, we sweep that low, we come down into that low 22 cents, we liquidate all those positions before pushing back to the upside. Now, we can just bounce from here, very possible, but to me, this little move here does not look impulsive. It still looks like it's part of the correction. So I wouldn't be surprised to come down and sweep those lows before pushing up. Of course, we can just melt down to the target zone, but just looking at the structure, the fact that we broke under the previous major support, I think we are likely to see a bounce soon because a lot of traders were looking to take longs right here. We broke that, liquidated those traders, so I think we might sweep the lows, liquidate the traders one more time before bouncing up. Either way, if it does bounce up into the zone in between 25 and 27 cents, that could offer a good short opportunity down to this target zone in between 19 cents and 21 cents. So let's look at BNB. Currently we're sitting at about 700. Oh, a little bit of lag here. Currently we're sitting at about 700. Market cap 94.45 billion. 25 volume 3.32 billion. If we pop into the daily time frame, what I quickly want to show you guys here off the bull market high at about 1360 is coming down in a WXY correction within that wave Y. We're counting 5 waves, so we have wave 1 down, wave 2 up, wave 3 low down here at about $560. Pushing up in that wave 4, pushing up towards the resistance in between, which could offer a good short, 756 and about 802 in the wave 4, and then coming back down. So we'll zoom in just a little bit here onto the 4-hour time frame. So as we can see, we pushed up in the wave W, came down to X, and now we're pushing up pretty high in my opinion in the wave Y. But if the rest of the market does see the bounce into their target zones, then I would expect BNB to see a little bounce towards this resistance in between 756 and 802 before continuation down. It can drop from here. I just don't think that's the more probable scenario. And that's what TA is all about, is looking at the more probable scenario and investing and trading based off those probabilities. So we'll look for BNB to push a bit higher into this target zone before coming back down. Could offer a good short position into this 463 and 503 target zone in the wave Y to complete the wave 5 for BNB. So that's what we're looking at for Cardano and for Binance Coin, BNB. If you want completely free access to my trading group, trading and investing group, take 30 seconds of your time. Sign up to Bitonix, no strings attached, one of the top exchanges. Check out the links down below. Just send me an email. After you've signed up, I'll send you the link. You get my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, as well as my gold and silver. It looks like a nice upcoming trade on gold. For free, guys, just with the 30-second sign up to Bitonix, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.